Hi, I'm Tina Bennett. I'm called a father's rights attorney. A lot of people don't know what that means, and it's not an area of law. It's the way I practice law, and it should be the way other people who call themselves father's rights attorneys. The difference between hiring me and a general practitioner that does family court type of stuff like custody, child support, divorce, is that women primarily will not come to my office unless they're being treated like the men are being treated in family court and during the divorce. One of the things I tell attorneys, pick a side and stick with a side. It gets very difficult as an attorney to represent a woman one day and say how awful a father is, and then the next day say how awful the woman is. It's too much to think about. Women have different needs going through court, and men have different needs. And one of the things men have to understand is women are great at manipulating men. Women know how to push men's buttons. That's a very good trick we've learned. And women can do it in a special kind of way. We can get a guy to think that we need to be rescued. We can get them to be manipulated and thinking that everything's great and we'll do everything that they want us to do, such as joint legal and joint physical custody. Women play with those words to let a guy believe they are the exact same thing. They're not. Joint legal just gives you joint legal rights to make decisions such as educational, medical, and perhaps extracurricular, but it doesn't give you the same rights as having joint physical custody. That means you see your children on an equal time basis as the other parent. That is more important than whether or not you have legal custody of your child or children. Because if you have time with your kids, you get to make all those decisions. So a parent who wants to make you an every other weekend parent is not the person that you want your children to be with primarily 100% of the time. So think about these types of things when you're looking for an attorney. I'm a father's rights attorney. Maybe I have 1% women that come to my office. The rest, I will refer them other places. If they want to stay with me, it's about coming up with what a fair and reasonable agreement arrangement will be between the two parties. So call my office today. It's 315-407-DADS, DADS, or 3237. Thank you.